Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the video, I want to show you the comparison of these three laces. So this is a regular brown lace on the left. In the middle you have the clear lace, which I'll be rocking today, and then you have transparent lace, which I absolutely hate. So as you can see, the middle lace, which is the clear lace, it blends flawlessly with my skin. Absolutely love this. So as you can see, this is the wig here. I must do a disclaimer, guys. I did put too much wax on the hairline, so if you can see that white casting right there, which annoyed me throughout the whole video and it really upset me. Basically it didn't show in real life, but because of the studio lights I've got and my camera picking it up, it just made it look a hot mess. But the wig itself is absolutely perfect. I absolutely love this wig. The clear lace is one of the best laces you can get. As you can see, it's pre-plucked and it's also pre-bleached, so you do not have to do anything to this wig. I haven't plucked it, I haven't done anything. I literally just did a parting and I put wax on, as you can see, and I basically straightened it out. So it has clips at the back and stuff like that, and I'm just going to style it on my head. So here we go. So as you can see, literally the hairline is just perfect. It's not thick at all. It's got so much volume, and also it just lays flat on my head. Some wigs just don't lay flat on my head. I don't know if it's because of my head shaped like a nut, like a bean, but my head shape's weird. But the fact that this laid flat on my head and it's silky straight, yeah, yep, this wig is a must-have, most definitely. So I'm not going to talk much in this video. I'm just going to just play the video and show you how I style it. I literally just cut around my hairline. As you can see, the wax is just so, it's just really annoying me, because when I got this wig, the hairline was just so beautiful. I don't know why I put so much hair wax on there. I tried to sleek it down. It did work, but it just left a very nasty white cast and it just did my head in. But other than that, the lace itself is pretty. It's very thin lace as well. It can blend in with all skin types. Unlike transparent lace wigs, it's just white. I don't know, I just don't like transparent lace. Brown lace is sometimes a bit too dark, so it doesn't blend in with all skin tones. So clear lace is the perfect way to go. It's literally, it's amazing. It really is. So let's get into the hair. The hair is silky straight. It came as a straight wig, and when I straightened it, it was just like the most bone straight hair I've ever experienced in my life, guys. Like, it was I can't explain it. Look at me, I'm stuttering because it was so gorgeous. It would literally laid flat. It was just movable. It was amazing. I got so many compliments when I went out as well. I ended up giving this wig to my sister actually because she was actually obsessed with it. So yeah, that's literally it, guys. As you can see, it lays flat. It's beautiful. So the links will be down below, so make sure you check them out. Guys, can you see how much the camera picked up the wax? Like, it's just, it didn't look that bad in person, but it did my head in, guys. Honestly, it really did my head in. So I ended up washing out the wax after like a few weeks of wearing this wig. I wore it on and off, but I don't know, it's just in this video it really did my head in, so I apologize for that, but I hope you get the gist of it because this wig is honestly really nice, guys. I just ruined the lace at the front, so I did try and blend it in, but it just wasn't working. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.